There it is. We're making it work. Very technical portion of the trail.
I almost ate it.
Alright. First time kicking it out here bouldering. I'm pretty stoked on it.
I could actually, well, no.
Oh, actually, Jason's currently getting a better view right now. How's the view? Yes, bro.
So,
Here for the interview.
let's talk.
I lined up this interview. I don't know what to talk to you about. What we get into right now, dude.
Climbing. We're doing rocks, and yeah.
That was like twice as good as I ever thought that would be. Tons of bugs around here. Gosh darn, dude. Alright, everybody. So what you might be wondering is, how have I been able to do all of this rugged terrain on my crutches? Well, all you have to do is convert these things to sport mode. Slop them down 2 inches and you should be good to go. That way you can keep from tipping over or going too far or getting too up in the air when you're going over some obstacles. 1, 3. 1, 2. Aim for the bushes. After that, we made our way to the second spot, which is pretty cool. The surrounding area with many rocks and confined spaces made things kind of hard, but nonetheless is a really fun hike to do. This log really gave me hell that day, believe me. I found myself scaling some pretty gnarly terrain to get there, but we made do and helped strengthen my crutching skills. Eventually, we made it to the second spot, and I was able to get the opportunity to put up the drone to capture the beautiful Santa Barbara scene. Right here, spot number 2. Jason's about to hit this. What ranking is this, Jason?
This is a 6.
This here's a 6. So be prepared for some good old climbing. I gotta go get the darn camera. Gosh darn it. I wish I just had some wheels on my camera, on the remote control car. To drive it back to me every time I did this. That was it.
No, on this next attempt I got it.
Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Just flying my drone a quick second ago and pretty much thought I had the sensors turned off because it's on sport mode, but I guess they weren't. So the drone pretty much just gave it tons of power because I thought I was gonna hit a tree. No, it wasn't. And ended up hitting a tree and crashing it. So I'm a bit bummed out right now. But on the bright side, Jason just got off that, so I'm stoked. That was gnarly, dude. You made that look easy. And with that, the sun started to go down, and it's time for us to head back.
Oh hey, didn't see you there.
It turned out going uphill is way harder. Side shuffling all the way up a mountain was a true workout on both the arms and the legs. Yeah, this is actually really slow. And that'll be it for the day. We made it to the top. Jason got some big old routes, and we'll be back out there soon. Thank you very much for tuning in. I love you.
I love you too.
Thanks, man.